Hi, my name is DJ. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the headlight restoration on the LS 430. This is going to be the before and then I'm going to show you the after and the whole process that I'm going to use. I bought this with my own money and I heard great things. I watched JR go, and then when I bought it from Advanced AutoZone, the guy from the counter said that this works really well too, but I seen it through the video, through watch JR go on YouTube. Just for you to know, this is not a paid promotion. I bought this with my own money, and I'm going to be using this one. But I also bought this because it has the masking tape and gloves. I think this one comes with gloves too, but I'm not 100% sure. But I won't be using this because I don't have the drill to be using this. But I just wanted the masking tape and the gloves that it come with once again. These are the materials I'm gonna use. I'm using this one to actually clean the headlights, and then I'm gonna use this one to wipe or buffer or anything else like I gotta do with the headlight. On the instructions it says wash headlights to remove surface dirt, and then it says apply the cleaning cloth, the clarifying compound, I apologize, and I'm gonna use that on the other one, and then apply spray lubricant, then use till side, and then dry with cotton towel, which I'll be using another cotton towel. All right, let's see what's inside. So it comes with look like health food workers gloves. Comes with your cleaning pads. It's colored and numbered so you can know which one to use. The lens clarifying compound, and then also the spray lubricant. And it comes with the lens sealing wipe and the lens base coat wipe. So the Turtle Racks kit costs $11.50 from Advanced Auto Parts. This kit costs $19.99 from Advanced Auto Parts. And this is 3M. And once again, I only bought it for the gloves and the masking tape. What I'll be using today is just water. I'm gonna use 3 cotton towels and some Windex just to clean the headlights and the 2 products right there. So the 3M kit came with this right here. It came with this is all that it pertains, so you can see it. So I'll be using the glove and the masking tape for this kit, and that's it. So right now I'm about to go ahead and start cleaning it with water and the vinegar, well, the Windex. All right, give me one. Here we go. So I'm going to spray the headlights directly, and then wipe it down. And then I'm going to the other side and do the same thing. Spray and wipe it down. All right. Once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and grab the water and just give it a nice little rinse, and then I'm gonna pour it down again. So just a nice pour. And I'm gonna do this side too. Just a nice rinse. And then I'm about to go ahead and dry it. Now I'm about to go ahead and dry it. And dry around it. All right, 1 second. I'm about to go on the other side and dry it. I'm using a paper towel for this portion. All right. Once it's good and dry, I'm about to go ahead and apply the masking tape now. Alright, this is me applying the masking tape. This is my first time ever applying masking tape on a car before, so if I'm not doing like a super spot on job, bear with me here. Just want to protect the paint. So the whole point of this is just to protect the paint. I'm sorry for that, the angle I put y'all in. Alright, there we go. Sorry for that. Alright, almost finished. I'm gonna do one headlight at a time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mask the other one. I'll do that off camera, so give me 1 second. All right, I masked off the other one. So that's the masking job I did for both of the cars. I mean, for both of the headlights, I apologize. And I'm gonna start on the right one first. All right, so it told me to do the clarifying compound. I add it directly onto the lens. Oops, look like I gotta open it first, so hold on. All right, I'm about to apply it directly onto the headlights. I'm gonna give it a pretty good amount there. Like I said, I'm gonna do one headlight at a time. Squirt it a little bit more on there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rub it with that cloth right there. Getting started now. Let's rub this all over. Sorry for the camera shaking and stuff, guys. All right, so instead of doing, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do each step, and then I'm gonna record each step. So I'll be back. Whoa, just off of going 2 passes with the clarifying, I'm gonna do every step, but just going by 2 passes with the clarifying, with this right here, look at that. It looks brand spanking new, basically. I'm gonna show you the other headlights so you get a compare and contrast. So that's that one, and then this is what the old one looks like. Well, the other one, the passenger side, looks like. Isn't that crazy? I just want to show you. Hopefully it shows it on the camera, but man, there's a difference. I'm gonna continue through each step, but already is there a significant difference. I'm about to go through step 2A, and then I'm gonna show you what that is. Give me 1 second. All right, so it told me to apply. Here it is. Let's see if I can line it up. Apply spray lubricant to green polish pad 1 and then directly to your lens. Use pad on those areas requiring restoration. So I'm about to do that right now. This is green pad 1, and then I'll be using this spray right here. All right, spraying the compound now. I mean the lubricant spray now. So you just I'm gonna do it liberally, you know, just to make sure I get everything. And then it says spray on the pad itself. All right, let me get to work. All right, so I did the first part, and then I'm doing the second one. It says do the number 2 for 1 minute. All right, now let's finish up the headlight on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and get that taken care of now. All right, so now I already did the compound twice, so now we're about to do the, excuse me, so I did the compound twice, and now we're going ahead and do the 3 pads. All right, so let's get started. Use number 1 first, which is the green side. Give it a good spritz. Oops, sorry. Give it a good spritz. All right, once you do that, take number 1 and you just start wiping away. So. So you want to do this for about like a minute. All right, it's time to switch to side 2, which will be this side, and re-lube it. All right, I'm doing number 2 now. And you want to go the opposite direction. So I was doing this, and now I'm gonna go this way. Sorry for that. All right. So once you do that, you're gonna go to step 3. So I'm almost finished doing this. I'm just showing y'all what it looks like. All right. All right. Now it's telling me to apply the compound again, and then rub until clear, and then let it dry. I'm doing that right now. Just keep rubbing until it clears up. All right. Now I did both of them. Now it's telling me to wait until it's dry, and then go ahead and give them a polish real quick. And once I do that, then I'm gonna add the clear coat and the other compound to it. Now the steps say, open the pouch for the lens base coat, which would be this, and then using a plastic glove and to quickly coat both lenses with the white. Dry. Once dry, immediately follow with the lens sealing wipes. So I do this first and then I go with that. All right, see y'all in a sec. All right, here I go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead into the other one and swap this on over. All right. Putting a little bit of pressure on this. Just to make sure, and buffing it in. All right. I think it's now telling me to let it dry, and then I get back. All right, I got to immediately follow up with the lens cleaning wipe. Here I go. I gotta let it dry real quick, and then I go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and start on this one right now. That's it. So hopefully I'm gonna do pictures, or in the video itself you can see the day and night. This turtle wax stuff really does work. I mean, by what I could tell, did a great job. Oh my gosh, for a 15-year-old car, whew, cleaned them up right away. Once again, thank you for watching. My name is DJ, and I think the next video, or the video before this, is going to be the point of view driving experience. Bye everyone, have a good day.